Welcome to The Life of Hair. My name's James Atkinson. So if you enjoy this tutorial, then please do me the big favour of hitting that thumbs up button. It really helps the videos. It's the equivalent to sharing it with your friends. And I'll see you again in another episode of The Life of Hair.
So the first thing I do with a fringe like this is put my hand flat on my client's head and blow dry the hair back around my hand to give the hair a little bit of a bend. I'd never seen this done before, but recently I've seen it more and more on Instagram. I didn't know it was a thing. But anyway, give it a try. It works really nicely to give like a sort of more soft flick rather than something that's more forced with a hairbrush. The rest of the blow dry is very, very simple. You take vertical sections, you wrap the hair around the brush away from the face. The sections are about 2 inches in depth, which gives the hair a nice loose texture, which I particularly like about this blow dry. It hasn't got that kind of 1970s tonged and brushed out look. It's a little bit more modern and a little bit more wearable for many more people. I think that really set look was of its time, but this is a little bit looser, and I think it suits more of what's going on right now with hair textures and the way people are wearing their hair. And I think it also fits a bigger, broader demographic of people rather than the kind of very twee looks that we saw of the 1970s. I particularly love blow drying these kind of long shag shapes. If you haven't seen the haircut video of this particular look, I will link it at the end of this video. It's a really superb, easy technique. It can be worn naturally curly, or it can be blow dried as you're seeing here now. I think it's one of those things where there are many ways of wearing these kind of shag style haircuts, but this one gives it that little bit more of a polished vibe. You see a lot of them worn very natural, very loose, as you will have seen at the end of the haircut video. If you've already seen that, or if you haven't seen it, then do make sure you go and check it out, because we blow dried it naturally with the natural wave in Amy's hair, and that really does make a big difference to obviously the perception of one of these styles. But I like this blow dry because it's very informal, you know, you can do it very quickly. It makes this haircut a very quick haircut to do commercially, but you get that kind of extra level of polish for someone when they're coming in the salon if they don't want to wear it natural like they do all the time at home maybe. So this is a very straightforward thing to do, and all you'll see me do is travel all the way from the front into the centre back, and then when I get to the centre back you'll see that I then swap to the other side and I do exactly the same thing on this opposite side, blow drying all the hair back away from the face. It repeats itself on both sides exactly the same. So if you've never done this before, give it a go. It's a really nice technique. I'm a big fan of blow drying the shag. I know most people are wearing it natural these days, but this little 70s inspired look really does look beautiful in my eyes. So if you have never blow dried your shag, or you've got clients who you cut shags onto, or long graduations, then maybe give this a try for a little bit of difference. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. I'll see you again next week for another episode of The Life of Hair. And if you haven't seen any of my videos previously, then please hit the subscribe button, maybe give this video a thumbs up. Go and check out some of the other videos that I've made here on YouTube. There's around 300 episodes, so hopefully there's some more videos for you to learn from. Thanks very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.